Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to joblinkers.com. Today I'm going to discuss about some exciting job offers that are like interviews are going on in the UAE, and I have already made a very long video about that walk-in interviews in Dubai. So you should go to my channel and you can see that there is a 15-minute video, and I have made a detailed video that how you can apply and what are the jobs in and what are the sectors that are offering very good job opportunities to the people who are right now in the UAE. So you should watch that video also. And coming to this is the latest work in interviews. I'll just highlight it in this video, but we'll focus on the Sheriff DG career latest vacancies in the UAE. So I have opened this the latest walk-in interviews, and you see that there are multiple like Astra Group, Lago Group, and they are like offering. These are the job open right now, and you see that sales agent required in the FP property. So you'll come to this. When you'll come to this, you will see that there are multiple jobs, and it is a very long article that I have published right now. Just right now, 3/5/2025 is the interview date. So you can avail these opportunities if you are in the UAE. But now I will continue to talk about the Sheriff Guard job, and this is Sheriff DG Group, and it is a very good company that is like dealing hundreds and thousands of employees that are working in UAE. So about this job, you can see that there are what are the vacant positions right now. If you want to read the details of the company, then you can read like this, and that African and the Asia and the Middle East, this company is working in around the different continents. These are the jobs like financial analyst, cashier, processing and back office executive, L3 network engineer, helper, sales head. So you can see that there are, if I talk about this, these are the 60 vacancies that this company is offering right now, and it is one of the very exciting job. So you can apply for this the location of this company is Dubai, and if you have a relevant experience, relevant diplomas, relevant qualification, you should apply as soon as possible. You have to submit your CV at this. You will open it in the next tab, and if you have want to know more jobs, then you can also click here. So coming to this, you will see that this company is hiring, and you will when you will come to their own website, then you will check that this is the interface of these jobs, and these are the jobs that are open, and 71 more jobs are right now. So I'll just open it right now, then see that what is the application process. When it will open, make sure that you have a very good and attractive CV for before applying here, and also a one cover letter, your passport, if you have a very relevant experience, your transcripts, your degrees, your work experience, and all those documents that could make your profile stronger. So you should like align all the documents. So I will just open one job and I will discuss about it. These are the job descriptions that you will see, and it is a very long paragraph. What is the requirement for this? They are saying that you should have 2 year minimum sales, customer service, and front desk requirement. So this is a very basic environment requirement. Education is the graduate preferred, and professional certification in the customer service. So if you have certification, you can apply for this. Graduate is preferred, but if your qualification is lower than graduate, then still you can apply for this. What are the skills they are requiring? Problem solver, multitasking, computer proficiency, and all that. So if you are interested, you will simply click on the I am interested, and the interface for applying here will be over. So I'll just say that if you want to apply directly, upload your resume here. You will fill out all these forms, like you can see the name, last name, mobile number. You will select the UAE from here, and then your email, your qualification, if you are a graduate or if you are lower than the graduate. And we are just talking about the customer service. So every like criteria for different vacancies is different. Okay, so make sure that you read the article or you read the details or the requirements before applying it. Email and the educational qualification, then your gender and current country where you are residing, city, If you have a visa status, then you will write here that I am on the work visa, I am on the visit visa. And if you don't have, then you will write here that nil, you will write here. Then you detail them about the professional details. If you have worked before here, your employer name, your job designation there, what was your salary, expected salary from this Sheriff DG Guard company, and experience in years. If you have 2 year, 3 year, 1 year, you'll just write here 1 or 2. Okay, if you have a UA driving license, you will click here, and then relevant experience in the years in the drivers as a driver. Okay, notice period in days, like if they give you a notice to come and join the job, in how many days you will join that job, you will highlight it here. Skill set, if you have, then you will add here, and then browse the attachment, your photo, your resume, and then you will submit the application. So you see, the application process is very like very easy. There is no like something that you cannot apply here. And these are multiple jobs: financial analyst, business analyst, application development and processing, and back office executive. We have discussed in here, like we have discussed that these are all jobs that they have put it on their website. So you will come here, and if you have want to know more about, there are very much jobs. Okay, apply as soon as possible if you are in the UAE, and if you are still not in the UAE, apply here. Okay, the luck knocks you when you try to do something. Okay, take a step, inshallah you will get the job. Take care, and Allah Hafiz.